I understand! SpongeBob, I really do not like my freaking boss!
Well, Squidward, unfortunately, Mr. Krabs is guarding the front door, so, we're stuck. There is a back door, though.
Oh my god, SpongeBob, you're right! There is a back door! You know what, SpongeBob? You're not so bad after all. I can't wait to escape!
Squidward, are you kidding me? Mr. Krabs is gonna know when you leave, Squidward, so I wouldn't do that.
Oh, please, SpongeBob. Mr. Krabs is at the front door. How would he know I'm leaving from the back? You're silly, SpongeBob. See you later!
Oh dear, Neptune, this is gonna end bad for Squidward.
Poor Mr. Krabs. He will never know I escaped from the back.
Man, I really hope Squidward didn't get caught, dude.
December 12th, 2024.
What are you talking about, Squidward?
I'm talking about the date, SpongeBob, December 12th, 2024.
Why are you telling me the date, Squidward?
Because it's an important date, SpongeBob.
And why is it an important date, Squidward?
Squiddy, we can talk about
December
this.
12th, 2024.
Squidward, please.
December 12th, 2024.
I don't even know.
December 12th, 2024. December 12th, 2024. December 12th, 2024. December 12th, 2024. December 12th, 2024.
I heard that Mr. Krabs is getting his secret formula today. I'm going to steal it.